In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the white background and make it transparent in Photoshop. First of all, let's start by launching Adobe Photoshop. If you're not familiar with Photoshop, don't worry. It's a versatile tool for design and editing that allows for a great deal of creativity. Once you have it open, make sure your image is ready to go. This means having the image you want to edit either imported or opened up within the program. Now, with your picture ready, the next step is making a selection of the background you want to remove. Photoshop offers a variety of tools to help you with this, such as the Magic Wand tool, Quick Selection tool, or Select and Mask feature. Each of these tools provides a unique way of selecting portions of your image, but they all aim to help you clearly define the section that will become transparent. Take your time with this step. Precision here will help in achieving a clean edit. Once you've made the selection around the white background, it's time to erase it. If you're using a keyboard shortcut, you can use Command plus Delete on a Mac or Control plus Delete on a PC to remove the background. This action effectively deletes the selected portion, leaving your desired image against a checkered grid which indicates transparency in Photoshop. Be sure to zoom in and check for any leftover white areas that might have been missed. After you've successfully removed the white background, it's crucial to save your work in a format that supports transparency. For this, saving your image as a PNG is a must. The PNG format maintains any transparent pixels in the image, unlike formats like JPEG, which will not support this feature. To save as a PNG, go to the process of saving your image, select Save As, and then choose PNG from the Format drop-down menu. This will ensure that your image retains its transparency when used elsewhere. And there you have it. Your image is now devoid of its white background, leaving behind only the elements you want to highlight. Remember that while the tools and steps may vary slightly depending on the complexity of images you work with, the fundamental process remains largely the same. Feel free to experiment with different selection methods to see which works best for your specific needs. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Photoshop's editing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials to enhance your creative projects.